Good morning, YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. And today I want to share with you a short tutorial on how to like, subscribe, and comment. Russell and I, we've been watching YouTube for a while, and we didn't really know how to do that, so we just didn't do it. And we didn't even know what it meant, to subscribe. It sounds like to me you're ordering a magazine, but on YouTube, it's a little bit different. Subscribe just means that you like that content and you will most likely be watching it more and more. And they don't charge you to subscribe. So I'm going to go over it with you and show you what to do, okay? And then we're going to have a little test run. Okay, here's the computer. All right, I'm on YouTube. I clicked in Woodbury Cottage in the search up there, and here's our YouTube channel. And once you get the YouTube channel up, go here, and this will be red. It will say subscribe, and it'll be red. Click on that. That means you are subscribed. Then you'll see two things here, a thumbs up and a thumbs down. If you liked about middle ways through, you click on, because if you wait till you get all the way to the end, it just goes off so fast you'll miss it. So hit the like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, or that's not your cup of tea, hit dislike. That does not give us a bad mark or anything with YouTube. What that does is tell us, that's to help us say, yeah, I like that video, I like to see more. I didn't really like that one. I don't think I want to watch any more of those. And that helps us get good content to have the best channel for our subscribers, for our group, our community that wants to learn, listen, fellowship with what we are doing. Okay, so like or dislike. Now this is real important. Hit share. Now when you click on share, it'll give you some options. Do you have Facebook? Do you have Twitter? Do you have email? And yours might have more stuff on here. Let's see. Yeah, see, there's some other options. You might have a Tumblr account. You might have a blog. But if you're like me and Russell, you probably have Facebook. So, click on Facebook. Now, there might be an easier way to do this. I'm just showing you the way I know how to do it. Okay, here's my Facebook. And there's my Facebook page. And I'm going to say, I'm going to comment something. I'm going to say, good word, brother. All right. And then I'm going to look on my page and find post to Facebook. On this computer, it's in this bar at the bottom. Some of the other ones, it might be here, it might be there, but look for post to Facebook. Okay, I'm going to click post to Facebook. And there we go, I'm posted. So click on this arrow to get out of that box or that square. Now I'm back to YouTube. I'm back to the channel that I'm watching, Woodbury Cottage. So I found the video I want to watch. I hit subscribe. My box is white. I'm now subscribed. I hit like, and I've already hit like on this one. Don't hit like every time you watch it. Just only hit that one time, because if you hit it again, it unlikes it. So just hit it one time, okay? Then hit share. Go to choose where you want to share it on Facebook. Post to Facebook, and then come back to the site. Now you see this bell here? If you click on that bell, that's a notification. And it goes to your email telling you every time we put new content on there. I feel like if you like our channel, you're going to be looking for us anyway. So that's really not necessary. And it does fill up your email box if you don't check it every day. But if you're not a person that just watches YouTube, then that bell button is good, because it lets you know every time we have a new video. All right. So We did all that. We came to the comment box and we said, we didn't say anything on here yet. Okay, so now let's comment. When they say comment below, that's what they mean. Come down to the thing down here and you'll see comment area. This little box with an A in it, that's me. So I'm going to say coffee cup. Alright, then I'm going to come over here to the comments and click comment. Now, why did I say coffee cup? Because I want you to practice doing this, and if you do, you have a chance to win this coffee cup. And it says enjoy every moment. This is not a new coffee cup now. I got it at the thrift store, but if you don't like drinking out of used coffee cups, you can use it for a pencil holder. But I got a secret for you. When you drink coffee at a restaurant, they don't bring you a brand new cup. So you can use it to drink out of or a pencil holder or put a little plant in it. So if you comment below, you got a chance to win this coffee cup. And there is a way to do it with the computer to choose the winner. I'm not that far along yet. I'm learning just like you are. So what I'm going to do is everybody that comments, I'll put their name on a little piece of paper and drop it in the cup and let grandbaby pick a name. And we'll send it to you. Now, how to send it to you, that's something else we need to know. So once we pick a winner, we will have you contact us by email with your address. Do not put your address in here if you win. Don't do it. That needs to be private. So we'll send you we'll send the winner the email address, and you email us your address, and we'll mail it to you. Okay? Be safe. Don't put personal information on here for bad people to catch, because I know it's sad, but there are bad people out there, and we don't want to give them fuel to the fire. If you enjoyed the video on how to subscribe, go ahead and give it a try, and I think you'll enjoy subscribing. And it would mean a lot to us because it helps us grow our channel, and our purpose for having a YouTube channel is to grow it, and one day maybe we'll be able to earn income on it. So that would be just great. So if you could go ahead and subscribe and look for part 2, because there are 2 ways to subscribe. When you subscribe on your home computer, your desktop, it's a little bit different on your phone. And so my son-in-law is going to go through how to do it on your phone. So if it doesn't work for you on your phone, look at the next video and he'll help you with that. And if you got any questions, if we can help you, we'll be glad to do it. All right, thanks. Bye.